If a bird you touched and it is like kai, 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 that does not lay. But if a bird is like it is already about to lay an egg. All right. Did you know? Yes, welcome back to YouTube channel, Katap's Farm. This time we want to talk about, did you know, poultry. Facts about poultry farming. Experience is the best teacher. Therefore, Kataps is here to give you the facts about poultry farming. If you want to do poultry, you know some of the facts that are there in this world and must be lived with. Fact number 1. Did you know that we have over 33 billion birds in this world? They outnumber human beings. Yes, if these birds were to decide to riot against us, where would we be? Fact number 2. Poultry can make you rich. If you doubt, put in the comment section down there. My story says I started with 20 hens. Now I'm at 2,000. So, am I lying? That is fact number 2. They can make you rich. Fact number 3. A single bird can lay over 305 eggs or less. But 305 eggs, if fed well, the way I feed my birds, you're sure a single bird will give you those eggs than if you have 1,000. Times maybe 200 shillings profit. Yes, number 2 comes up and says it can make you rich. Fact number 4. Did not a male bird dates a female bird by having those funny sounds? Yes, a male bird comes with its funny sounds to convince a female bird to give it some bit of love. If you want to know such facts, join poultry farming. Fact number 5. A bird sleeps and dreams. Hey, if you want to prove such, just do poultry. Me, I wake up at 3. I check on my birds. Some of them are sleeping. A layer bird is able to just bathe in the dust. They never bathe. It can never bathe. But being in the dust as it is just swimming, it is the only way they bathe. So if you want to punish your birds, put it in the water. It never wants to bathe. Another fact, birds have 2 colors of eggs. White egg, brown egg. A bird with a brown comb lays out a brown egg. A bird with a white comb lays out a white egg. Facts. Are we together? We go on? Yes. Hit that subscribe button. Make the warning bell. We move. Birds are very intelligent creatures. They have memory. They have knowledge and wisdom. They were saying that Kataps is lying us. If we enter a poultry pen with a white jacket and tomorrow enter with a brown one, they know. If you enter a poultry pen making noise, they know. If you enter when you're there to steal them, they know. So these birds, they're intelligent. Hey, birds, from my experience, they lay the first egg at minimum 20 weeks, well fed. Especially if you give them greens, give them high protein content. 20 weeks, 20 weeks, they are able to give you an egg. You want more facts? Hey, these birds have made me into a researcher. Okay, I live with my birds. They are become my brothers, my sisters. So we try to see that whatever we do, they do. Whatever they do, we do. Another fact, birds have different sounds for every idea, for every activity. An example, if a bird wants to lay an egg, it has a different sound. Ka, ka, ka. If it is scared, that's another sound. If it is male, if it is morning hours, that's a male. if it is a young one, if it is hungry or scared. So what am I trying to say? They have different sounds. So if you're a poultry farmer, try to learn those sounds. Otherwise, birds may be scared and think they are normal. Sick birds don't have sounds. I gave you a video, if you remember, how to tell of a laying bird or a non-laying bird among the layers. I told you if a bird you touched and it is like kai, 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 that does not lay. But if a bird is like it is already about to lay an egg. So that brings me to another fact. A bird lays every 24 hours. Because you may have birds, maybe 500 of them, you expect 500 eggs in a day. That's 12 hours. No, at times you'll be patient. Some of them will not lay in 12 hours. It is mostly average 24 hours a bird brings out an egg. So if you have, we usually say 95% production is enough. So you don't chase away your workers because you think they are stealing your eggs. It is the normal trend. The birds lay in every 24 hours. Another fact, birds can feel stress and pain. I have had experience when it rains heavily, when it shines heavily, all those affect the birds. If it rains heavily, they cut off the egg production. If it shines too much, they cut off the production. So I told you how you can identify the temperature in your poultry pen. If the birds are gasping, or their mouth is open, it means the sun is too hot, so they will not lay well. And if they are together compacted, it means there's coldness, they will not lay well. So finally, the fact which all of you must know, and which I have not been paying attention to, is the fact that a bird turns its eggs every day 50 times. Hey, if you have a hatchery, what do you do? If you want to hatch the eggs, it means you must turn them 50 times. So, it's been nice being with you. If you have learned from something from me, put in the comment section. What you want to understand, the next video, put in the comment section. And please, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell. We are together. Thank you.